Introducing TallyPrime 4.0. Simply Professional. The latest version of TallyPrime is designed to make your business operations smoother, faster, and more efficient than ever before. With WhatsApp for Business now integrated with TallyPrime 4.0, you can send any document from reports to reminders and invoices with a single click. You can even send QR codes and payment links to make it easy for your customers to pay you. And the best part is that you can send it all to multiple people or businesses at once. You can send an individual report or your entire dashboard in PDF, JPG, or Excel format to your accountant or your team members in a few clicks. The latest upgrade will also ensure a effortless data management with TallyPrime 4.0's new Excel import feature. Whether you are a business owner or an employee or a tax expert, TallyPrime 4.0 makes it easy to get the data you need into the system you use. Now you can easily import your e-commerce transaction data directly from Excel. If you already have your own format for recording data, no problem. TallyPrime 4.0 Excel import function can handle any format. Just map the Excel columns to the Tally fields and you are done. TallyPrime 4.0 gives you an accurate and complete overview of your business performance every morning with the new intuitive and powerful dashboard. A dashboard with anything you want at the click of a button. Want to track sales by region, product category, or by sales representatives, or maybe you want an overview on cash flow, profitability and daily expenses? No problem. Whatever you need to see, the intuitive and powerful dashboards give you real-time insights to make informed decisions. TallyPrime 4.0, Simply Professional. Upgrade today.